had our big rain for the first time in 11 months, and I wanted to show you a few images from my garden this morning after the big rain. So stay with me. Well, a lot has happened here in Southern California since my December 17th video that I shot right here in the garden. If you're just joining me for the first time, I had a ski accident on Schweitzer Mountain in Sandpoint, Idaho. The ski lift chair knocked me down, slammed me down, and I broke my humerus right at the top. I still have Eric in the garden, but we've just had our first huge rain. It rained for 2 days. Every one of my rain vessels is full. And the ground is absolutely saturated. So no watering will be needed for weeks. In fact, I really don't need to do much to my garden, so I don't know what I'll do. I don't have to do much to my garden because it's just kind of growing. It's in a growing phase. So I don't have weeds here, so that's not an issue. And I have wood chips, so that keeps the moisture in. So what's blooming in January in the late bloomer garden? Well, my pale pink camellia trees in the back still have a few blooms, although the rain pretty much finished them off. And my hot pink camellias that are on 2 bushes over here, they're just popping out. So they are gorgeous, big, huge fuchsia colored blooms like this. Now these camellia bushes, I can't take responsibility for. They were here when we bought the house almost 24 years ago. I have added 2 darker red camellia bushes, small right here, but camellias grow very slowly, so we'll be checking out those blooms later on. I do see buds. What else is blooming? The basil, the African blue basil is blooming. That thing that I planted at the end of December, another first is this is the first time that I've used my camera and microphone since the accident, since before the accident. I just didn't want to subject my sound editor to the microphone on the iPhone, which is you probably know, not great quality. One more thing I'm doing is I'm moving very slowly. This is not who I am. I'm usually headed in that direction before my head ever gets around to get a visual. If I'm changing directions, I'm already headed that way without even looking. But now I'm stopping, I'm looking, I'm moving very cautiously so that I can get through this and get to a healthy state as soon as possible. Hang on, I'm choking. But you know, I have planted a lot of perennials in my garden, which is why it looks practically full right now. I don't have any tomatoes out there, but when I do, it will be full. Really appreciate you, and please, if you're in any of the areas affected by these natural disasters, please leave me a comment below and tell me you're safe and you're okay. Anywhere from Montecito and Santa Barbara to Santa Rosa to Puerto Rico, wherever you are, please leave me a comment anyway. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.